To connect Powerbeats Pro 2nd generation into your PC, you have to start by opening charging case. You have to place left and the right one inside the case. Click and hold on this button, and you have to just take a look on this indicator. It will start blinking after a few moments, so you will have to release this button. And now just start by opening settings, and then you will have to navigate into Bluetooth settings. As you can see, in my case, it actually takes a lot of time to open the settings, but you can do this probably faster. You have to enable Bluetooth with the switcher and select to add device. Select Bluetooth, and now just wait until the device appears. So we have to just wait. We have to just be patient. It will take around a few moments. Sometimes you have to wait like 5 seconds. Sometimes you have to wait like 15 seconds. Sometimes even 1 minute. But you will just get it on the list, trust me. As you can see, here I can find them. So click with the left mouse button and wait until you will be connected. And as you can see, that's how it looks.